So let me show you how to enable or disable and also set up the screen timeout period when recording on the Action 5 Pro. So if you swipe down and tap on settings and scroll down, you will see screen off when recording. So you can tap on that, and that means you can see that set to 30 seconds. So that means it's 30 seconds when you start recording before the screen automatically turns off. Now, you can adjust that time to 15 seconds or 3 seconds or a minute, 5, 10 minutes, or even you can turn it off by selecting never, so that your screen never goes off when you're recording and you can always look at whatever is being recorded. So that's going to drain a lot of battery. So if you want to put on never, or you want to disable that function, you can just go ahead and do that, but keep in mind that this will drain your battery faster. If you want it to 10 minutes, 5 minutes, it's all up to you. All right. So that is basically how to set up the screen timeout period when recording on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.